Meaning of horsey.
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 Horsey. The term horsey is typically used to describe something related to or resembling a horse. It can also refer to someone who has a particular affinity or love for horses, or even someone with physical attributes that resemble those of a horse. Additionally, in some contexts, horsey may be used as an adjective to describe a particular style or design that incorporates equestrian elements. Overall, the word horsey is a versatile term that can be used in various ways to express a range of meanings and concepts related to horses and horse culture.